Good morning, everyone! Ay, good afternoon na pala. So, ngayon, punta kami kay mama sa Golden Haven. Bisita kami since Mother's Day kahapon. Hindi kami nakapunta. So, ngayon na lang kami dadalaw sa kanya. Want to ride the bike? Where are we going?
We're going to hospital.
Where are we going?
We're going to hospital.
Oh, we're going to Lola Ned.
We're going to Lola Ned.
Okay, sama kayo, guys.
There's a butterfly.
Grabe init, guys. Hi!
Hi, what is your name?
Everyone! Ayan, may baon silang ice cream. Sobrang init.
Parang madalagan yan. Magbubuhan yan.
Yung lupa nga yan, biyak-biyak na yun eh. Pag pumupunta kami sa
Dito.
Bigyan mo si Alonso.
Dito.
Dito is Ayan o, kay Alonso. Busy.
You want us to crash?
Gimme.
Yeah.
What? What are we gonna do with the car?
What
about it? Oh, here's Lola Dudso. Ah. Init. Init. Happy Mother's Day! This is Lola Duds yan. It's hot, Ching.
Yeah.
It's hot.
What is your name? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm here.
Malapit ata tayo kung doon, no?
Oh, don't press anything. I just talk to them.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Today, where are you?
I'm here.
Where?
At saka mas soling yung lilim doon.
Where?
Walang butas mo.
Biglat pala.
In your chair, bring. Di pa pwesto. Di namin alam saan kami papwesto kasi sobrang init. Dito pala kami sa Golden Haven. Mamaya doon tayo sa kay mama. Sa Columbar, yung
Where is
huh?
Siya rin kanila, doon na lang sa kabila.
Hi, Momo! Say hi, Lola Ned!
Press the doorbell. Press the doorbell.
Where's the doorbell? Where's the doorbell?
Hi, Lola Ned!
Kita mo ni Lola Nita.
Lola, it's a flower for you.
Where are we? Where are we?
Tamang laro mag-isa. Soon, meron ka ng kalaro, no? Okay? Soon, you have kalaro na.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's your kalaro soon?
Hello, soon.
Baby brother or sister? Yeah.
Baby brother, sister.
You want playmate? So, you...
Ah!
Oh, no! Dito pala kami sa playroom niya. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong napapakita sa inyo itong playroom. Since, ngayon pa lang naman ako nag-vlog ulit. So, siguro, if ever gusto nyo, let me know sa comment section. Para mabigyan ko kayo ng tour, full details. Once na malinis ko na, medyo makakalat naman kasi.
Oh, I took
So, yeah. Okay. Ayan, medyo magde-declutter din ako dito one of these days kasi nagiging crowded na siya. Pero na-declutter ko na yung iba dito kaya medyo lumawag siya. So, yan. Naglalaro lang siya mag-isa. Wala pang kalaro si Alonzo. But soon, meron na, right?
You made the building?
Yeah, you build. You make a building.
Oh, no, you
Wow.
will.
Sobrang init ngayon, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Relax.
What are you playing today?
And
What are you playing today? Can you tell them?
yeah.
Show them all your toys.
Ta-da!
Can you show them all your toys?
Yeah.
Go.
Harutera!
Show them your
Wow.
toys. What's that? What are you playing?
I just,
Puzzle? Your puzzle?
yeah.
You sit here. We can see you. Stand up first. Say soon, I'll have a playmates now. I'm not going to play alone now because your brother or sister will play with me.
Mommy's not there.
Hmm?
Mommy, oh no, right there. Yes,
Okay. Show them. What color is that?
it's yellow, all the colors.
Hmm?
All the colors. Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
Playing what?
Oh, you ball.
It's okay. You can build another one. Okay?
Maybe just
Yeah, you build the better base so it won't fall. Okay?
okay.
You make a wider base like that so it won't fall easily. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. I think that's enough.
it's just
Oh, can you get all the puzzle first?
yes,
Down there, oh.
down there. Yeah.
Yeah. Ang galing na itong batang to, guys. So, syempre, bata, di ba, naglalaro. Once na naglaro siya before, lahat ng toys nakakalat sa lapag. And then, dumating yung time na parang, syempre, ako bilang mommy o bilang ina, marami rin ginagawa sa araw-araw. Mama's talking. What will you do? Keep quiet, okay? Medyo strict lang tingnan, pero nakakatulong naman sa ano niya, development niya. For me, syempre iba-iba naman tayo ng pagpapalaki ng anak. Hindi ko siya parang ini-spoil na hindi pagalitan. So, ako yung type na once na may nagawa kang mali, alam ko sa'yo talaga na mali and kung ano yung dapat mo gawin.
Mommy,
Yeah, I'm talking properly. It's just Tagalog.
sorry, don't have to talk.
So, yun. Gaya ng sinasabi ko kanina, marunong siya mag-clean up ng playroom niya. As in, eto, ayan, mga toys na yan, diba? Medyo organized naman siya bahagya. Siya lang nag-clean up niyan, guys. Ever since na tinuruan ko siya. Na, what mama told you? If you want to play another toy, what?
You can clean up your toys.
Yeah, you're gonna clean up the first one before you get
Another one toy.
good job. Ayan, sobrang proud ako sa kanya. Kasi 3 years old pa lang dahil. 3 years old pa lang siya. Marunong siya mag-clean up ng room.
Mama.
Hindi lang basta yung clean up na lagay-lagay ha. Ano talaga, yung organized na clean up. So, yun. Natutuwa naman ako dito sa bata na to. Kasi, ready na siya maging kuya. Are you a good boy?
Yeah.
You're a good boy. You're listening to mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ayun. Hindi ako natatakot na parang matakot siya sa akin. Kasi, di ba yung iba, hindi pinapagalitan. Hindi nila pinapagalitan. Though, iba-iba naman tayo ng way ng pagpapalaki, syempre. So, sinishare ko lang din yung, yung kung paano ko siya, kung paano ako sa kanya. So, yun. Hindi ako natatakot na parang matakot siya sa akin. parang mas okay yun na parang mas takot siya sa akin. Para sumusunod siya. Hindi yung kung ano na lang yung gusto niyang gawin. Though, bata pa naman, syempre. Pero parang feeling ko for me, mas better na maturuan siya nung mas maaga na kung ano yung mali and tama. So, ayan. So far naman, very good naman si Alonzo. Alam niya na yung mga mali at tama. Marunong siya mag-greet ng tama sa tao. Right? You're a good boy. You're right?
Yeah.
So, yun. Yung tipong isang tingin ko pa lang, alam niya na mali yung ginawa niya. Ganun. Pero si Dan, balance naman kami. Ako yung ganon, and then si Dan naman yung parang balance. Yung parang, you know, ako yung mas... Okay, oh, yung play na. So, yun, kakatuwa lang. Wala, na-share ko lang. Na-share ko lang na sobrang nakaka-proud. Diba? So, at the age of 3, pwede na pala natin silang maturuan ng mga dapat gawin. Siyempre, hindi naman yun para sa akin lang. Though, para sa akin din naman ngayon, kasi kahit mag-play siya dyan ng kahit ano, alam niya na mag-clean up. Yung parang hindi na ako may stress lagi. Dati kasi, siyempre, tayo din naman yung mga bumili ng mga toys na yan. Pero, diba, pag clean up na, yung ako lang nag-clean up, nakaka-stress din na parang araw-araw. Hindi nga araw-araw. Mayat-maya ka naglilinis, diba? So, tinuruan ko siya kung paano mag-clean up ng toys niya. And then now, pwede na siya mag-play. Kahit anong play. Kasi siya na ang nag-clean up. And mama is not stressing out na. Diba? So, yun. I-practice din natin na marunong siya mag-clean up. Pero kung hindi niya naman trip yun, okay lang din naman. So, yun. So proud lang dito sa batang to. Parang siyang ano na. Kuyang-kuya na talaga siya. Are you kuya?
Yeah.
What do you want? Baby brother or baby sister?
Baby brother, baby sister.
Kahit ano. Which one you want? Baby brother or baby sister?
Baby sister, baby brother.
Kahit ano talaga. So, ayan, update din pala sa kung ano na yung parang sa school. Since 3 years old na siya, pero pwede na siyang tanggapin sa play school. Pero yung dito, kasi medyo pricey. Hindi pa naman siya kasama sa DepEd. Yung sinasabi nila na parang preschool. Parang magpa-play-play lang para hindi mabigla sa ma-culture shock ba. So, ayun, nagpag-decide na namin na mag-summer class na lang siya. So, para lang matry natin na ano, para lang matry namin kung paano siya with teachers and other kids. Pero, ayan, since naglalaro din naman siya sa playground, parang okay naman siya makahalubilo sa, ano, sa ibang kids. But, iba pa rin yung may teacher and wala dun yung mommy, di ba? Mommy and daddy. Kaya, naisipan namin siyang i-enroll sa summer school. Ito lang naman malapit. So, try kong mag-vlog dun sa pagpapasukan. You want to go to school na?
Yeah.
And play with other kids and teachers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about the Lego?
Yeah, you can play Lego at school.
Yeah, me too. How about the book? The big book?
Yeah, there's a lot of books in the school. You want to go to school na?
How about
What?
this one, the paper?
Yeah, there's a lot of, there's a lot of toy you can play with. Diyos ko, Day, duduguin talaga ako dito, Day. Duduguin talaga nanay mo, Day.
Hey, the teacher.
With teacher, okay?
Okay, I'm excited.
But you can see Mama and Papa inside. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're all nice naman, okay?
See Papa in the school.
After school, you will see Papa and Mama. Okay? Okay. What?
I want to go to the school.
You want to go to school and
Yeah.
and play with other kids, like
Yeah.
classmates and teacher? Are
Yeah.
you going to be a good boy there?
Yeah. Daddy wants to play on the teacher.
No, you have a different teacher. If you
Why?
go to school, you're not able to see Mama and Papa for a while, and then after school, you will see us now. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah. It's like the cat.
Hmm?
It's like the cat.
What will you tell to the teacher? When the teacher asks you, what's your name?
My name is Alonzo Riza.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
What's your mother's name?
It's everywhere.
How about your father's name?
It's double.
What?
Double.
Ah, dito ko pa. How about your father's name?
It's Majuki.
Silly Aroche. Silly Aroche. What's that?
Just one, the Lego.
Okay, are you gonna play with the Lego first?
Oh no, wait.
Can you smile? Can you smile to the camera?
Cheese.
Say like that. 2 hands. 2 hands. Wow, ganun, no? Sit down there, and then use tada. Sit down on the floor. Sit down on the floor. Then tada.
Ta-da!
Look at the camera. Tada.
Ta-da!
Look here.
Ta-da! Hola.
This is my playroom.
To my playroom.
Come play with me.